Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button, and if you could please leave a comment as well. Today we will be making these very simple 3 round coasters. I have made two. One is in cotton yarn and the other is in acrylic, but a lightweight acrylic yarn, and you can see that they are a nice size. They are with cotton yarn I have got 4.5 inches in diameter, and in centimeters it's about 12, and the smaller one is almost 3.75 inches, and in centimeters, instead of turning my inches tape, I'm turning my flower, so yay, 10 centimeters. So if you are choosing, depending upon the yarn you are using, you will get even bigger or smaller coasters. So for today's video I'll be using this color. Again, I'm using cotton yarn. In video it's looking blue, but it's not, it's more towards lilac. So let's make our flower. We start by making a chain. From the center you can see there are a lot of double crochets, and to fit all those double crochets we will make a chain of 12. So 1, 2, 3. After making 12 double crochets, you will join first and last stitch with a slip stitch. So just wrap yarn around your crochet hook and pass it through the 2 loops on your crochet hook. Get the tail out of your way, and now we will make 32 double crochets in this chain. And we will start by making a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. This chain 3 is considered our first double crochet. So now we have only got 31 left, so that's 3, After making your 32 double crochets, just count and confirm that you have correct number. Join at the top of the first chain 3 with the slip stitch. So this is what our circle, our coaster looks like after first round. In next round, to start next round, we will make a chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will make a double crochet in the next stitch, and then we will make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you will skip one stitch, and in next stitch you will make 1 double crochet. In next stitch you will make your next double crochet, and in next stitch you will make your third double crochets. So after making our 2 double crochets, we'll skip one and make a chain of 5 and then make 3 double crochets. So now we will make our chain of 5 again, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and we will skip one and again we will make 3 double crochets. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And now I will make my chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Skip 1, and in this way I will finish this round. So I'll quickly finish this round and then come back, join you again. After making your last set of 3 double crochets and chain 5, you will skip one and you will make your last double crochet. Remember, we started with only 2 double crochets, so we will join at the top with the slip stitch. Now I will chain 1. This chain 1 is just to give myself a bit of height. Chain 2. This chain 2 is part of the pattern that we will repeat. And now I will make 9 double crochets in this chain 5 space. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then you will make 2 chains and join at the top in to the second double crochet, the middle one, with a single crochet. Again 2 chains, and in next space we will make 9 double crochets. So that's 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 2 chains, join with a single crochet at the top of your second double crochet, and I will continue working in this way. That's my tail, starting tail, till I come here. Then I'll come and see you, join you. I have almost finished my round. After making 9 double crochets, I have made my 2 chains, and now I will slip stitch in the first single crochet. Remember, we made 3 single crochets, so in the first single crochet I'll make my slip stitch. Let's have a look. It's nice and delicate. Let's cut our yarn and secure our tail end. I will just slip stitch it a couple of times tightly and then push and pull the tail, and I will pull it through my double crochets as well to hide it. Here is a look, final look of our coasters, and so these are our coasters made in cotton yarn and one acrylic, and I really hope that you will try them, and don't forget to leave a comment, and I will see you next time with a new project. Till then, take care.